to reset YouTube recommendation. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Log into your account and click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your profile, click on your data in YouTube. After you've clicked on your data in YouTube, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in here and you will find YouTube watch history. Bottom of that, you'll find manage your YouTube watch history and click on it. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, scroll down and you'll find delete at the top. Click on delete. Then you'll find all the options. Click on delete all time. After you've clicked on delete all time, press on delete at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, go back and then scroll. You'll find manage your YouTube search history and click on it. After you click on manage your YouTube search history, if there is any search history, simply delete. After you do that, when you go back, everything will be reset. This is our reset YouTube recommendations. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.